Yes, good morning. See, the very first thing is about your attendance. For your attendance will be recorded as per your online attendance. Online attendance means if you are joining online classes, attendance will be recorded. If later on you are watching the video, that time your attendance will be not recorded, but recording will be available for you. So, as per the rule of CBSE, that 75% attendance is compulsory. Fine. So that you have to take care. Okay. See, you all have received date sheet, right? And when you have IP exam, डेट देखिए आप लोगों ने when we have IP exam. See, it is on 9th July. Remember the thing that your IP exam will be on 9th July. Timings are 8.
Yes, ma'am. 9 July.
हाँ, and timings are 8 AM to 8:35 AM. यानी sharp 8 AM पे आप लोगों का पेपर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. You will be getting link on student portal only. ठीक है, जैसे पहले आप लोगों को मिल रहा था, you will get the link. You will be having all the questions based on MCQ basically. Multiple answers will be there, and then you have to put tick marks. 35 minutes are there. Yani we are assuming first 5 minutes are for entering all the information, and remaining 30 minutes are for giving the examination. Fine. You have to be very prompt at that particular time. Okay. Chapter, all 4 chapters are based on MySQL. Next week we will be having revision of these chapters, but before that, all those students who are facing any problem with any particular topic, you have to send me message personally. Okay, because once you will send the message, then only that topic only we will take first. मतलब आपको जो डाउट आया आपने बोल दिया कि मैम दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, नॉट लाइक दैट दिस इज द पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर, पूरा चैप्टर समझा दो, देन वी विल बी नॉट हैविंग रिविजन. फाइन. तो आप मेरे को यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट टॉपिक्स. इफ स्टिल यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद द टॉपिक, let me know, send me message, then next day we will have revision of that particular topic. Okay, now we are going to start with chapter number 9. The reason is because this week we are going to have our classes, then next week we'll be having little bit revision, and then after that your exams will be there. So I just want, because within this week I will be able to complete this particular chapter with you. Fine. Okay, all of you type present now. So see, the very first thing that we are going to start today is introduction to computer network. Any one of you, what is the meaning of network? Network का मतलब क्या होता है? You can unmute your mic and you can speak. Make habit of speaking. जो समझ में आता है, you can give answer in Hindi, no problem, but you have to give answer. Network का मतलब क्या होता है? Lavina. Network means what? Anything. Lavina, just unmute your mic. Lavina.
Ma'am.
A group or a system of interconnected people or things.
Very good. Means interconnection of network. Yes, Pranjal, what you were speaking?
मैम नेटवर्क मतलब जैसे अभी मैम हमारी क्लास चल रही है तो नेटवर्क से कनेक्टेड है.
अच्छा.
कनेक्शन.
हाँ, कनेक्शन ऑफ टू और मोर डिवाइसेस, है ना? अगर इफ यू आर कनेक्टिंग टू और मोर डिवाइसेस टुगेदर, देन इट बिकम्स अ नेटवर्क. And computer network means two or connection of two or more. See, we are using one word, that is two. आपको हर बार क्या बताना है, 2 और more devices, यानी if you are having 2 or more devices then it becomes a network. Computer network का मतलब क्या हुआ, 2 or more computer devices will be connected with each other, then it will be called as a network. Now see in this particular chapter this is completely theory based chapter, ठीक है, कि जैसे like what is network, then you can see over here this is first you will be getting introduction, then different types of network, then network topologies, network devices. ये सारे आपको याद भी करने पड़ेंगे, like when you will be having this, no, so you have to go through each and every topic, then you have to see the differences between each other, and then like that you are going to revise that. Okay, so the very first thing is the definition. So it is nothing but the network of computers that we are using. Okay, then the my next question is what is the use. अब क्या यूज है नेटवर्क का, हम क्यों यूज में ले रहे हैं, एनी एग्जाम्पल?
मैम जैसे कि अभी सब ऑनलाइन एग्जाम वगैरह हो रहे हैं और अभी इस टाइम में इंटरनेट का बहुत काम आ रहा है, क्लासेस वगैरह हो रही है, एग्जाम दे सकते हैं।
और उसके सिवा मीन्स दिस इज द रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल दैट यू आर यूजिंग, है ना?
मैम और जैसे हो गया एग्जाम्पल अपने चैटिंग, कंप्यूटर पे दोस्तों से बात करना।
Okay. Okay. See, basically, whenever we wanted to share the information, है ना? Mainly when we wanted to share the information, that is the most important part. जो main use है, that is for sharing of the information. So you can share the information. This is the first example, first use. And second thing is when we talk about share, first is the information part. I'll not write. And second one is resources. Resources means hardware. Okay, it means if you wanted to share hardware or software, both you can do. Okay, so this is what the purpose of using internet or computer network. So you can see over here it is given also, a computer network is collection of interconnected ऑटोनोमस कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस, मतलब बहुत सारे ऑटोनोमस कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस हैं जो कि आपस में कनेक्टेड हैं, and they are basically for exchanging of the information or sharing of the resources. This is the important thing that you have to keep in your mind. You can see over here examples. You can see how many computers are connected with each other. Okay, when we have to connect computers, it is not like that they are in one sequence. Randomly, in any haphazard manner, they are connected with each other, and then they are used for sharing the information. For example, suppose computer 1 wanted to send any file to computer 2. If they are connected in network, then only we can send the files. Similarly, these are the hardware device, for example, printer and all. These are the hardware device. Suppose all these are connected in network. So all these computer can give instructions to these printer for printing purpose. And so this is what the advantage. You can see it is given here. Advantages of network. The very first thing is share resources. Resources means any of the hardware part. Then second is you can share software. Now see, now these days sometimes, for example, your computer is not capable of performing multiple tasks, or some softwares are not compatible in your system. So what you can do, you can connect with any server. There already the software is installed. So you can use that software directly, means no need of installing that software in your system also. So even we can share the software, it will be, and the reason given over here is it will be cheaper than buying the license for every machine. So instead of, suppose now 10 computers are there, all those 10 computers wanted to use the same software. So instead of purchasing 10 different softwares, what we can do, we can connect those computers together in a network, and then we can share it with the server or the machine. Then share storage. Any example of sharing storage? See, all of you are doing that except Pranjal. Any other student? आप कैसे storage share कर रहे हो?
Upload data on Google Drive.
How?
Like on Google Drive.
Yes, by using Google Drive. Very good. See, you are having now these days, if you know the word cloud storage. Cloud storage में क्या हो रहा है? On the server you are getting the space. So what you can do, you can store your information on the server. And what benefit you will be getting? That anywhere you can access that information. For example, from home today you are uploading in any information in the drive. Now you can go to any particular location and then also you can download from that location. The reason is because it is in the server part. Then next is improve communication. Now see, when we talk about communication purpose, fine. If all are connected in the network, then we can share the mails. It is given here mails. Pranjal has already given one example of chatting. So communication will be improved. Means within fraction of second, you can send the any material that you wanted to send basically. Now we have next is disadvantage of network. This is again very important thing that we must know. Anyone, what is disadvantage? If you wanted to explain, स्नेहा बेटा यू एक्सप्लेन डिसएडवांटेज. अगर कंप्यूटर को नेटवर्क्स में कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक विल बी द डिसएडवांटेज? Any one point? See, 4 points are given. Any one you can explain here.
Ma'am, there will be no security.
Very good. Security क्यों नहीं होगी? Why there will be no security?
मैम रिसोर्सेज या हमारा कोई भी पर्सनल डेटा शेयर हो सकता है.
Very good. Now see, this is very good answer ki actually when we talk about network, so now you are only not responsible for managing your information. No, your information can be shared on any computer whichever is there in the network. Now you think like this. I'm just giving you one example, that suppose if your data if any file is there, so only, and then later on you can share it over here also, you can share it over here also. So now so many different, what to say, locations are there from where hacker can enter in your network and then he or she can hack your system. Fine, it's not like that only now you have to control this particular device. Hacker can enter through this computer and then can enter in your network and then steal your information. So therefore it is given that file security is very important, and when we are on the worldwide network, that particular time we have to be very careful that what we are sharing or what we are uploading. Now there are 3 more points. For next is the system are more sophisticated and complex to run. Okay, it is actually not easy to install. We are saying that ठीक है एक बार नेटवर्क बन गया then we are having lots of advantages, but when we talk about the installation cost, okay, that time we have to pay a lot. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये computers you can see over here they are showing all these connection. No, we need networking devices, means those devices which will support network. So installation for that we have to pay, plus you can see they are all computers are connected in any manner, different manner. Fine, so that networking becomes very complicated. Then next is if software and files are held centrally, it may be impossible to carry out any work if the central server fails. Can anyone explain the meaning of this particular point? This is again very important point. Lavina, you explain this point. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ इस particular point का? Just read this point, Lavina. And then let me know. Lavanya, better you just read this point. I think Lavina is not there in the class. Acha, not getting. Better is to unmute your mic and then to speak. Hai na? This is what we want. You must have habit. Lavanya, what you understood with this particular point? Just unmute your mic and let me know.
Ma'am, if the server fails, the network will not be there. So any file cannot be shared.
Why? Your answer is correct, but why? See, now what you have to understand, जैसे what they wanted to tell. Anyone can explain what is the meaning of server? Any of the student. Server क्या होता है?
मैम जैसे कि अभी जैसे गेम आया मैम, तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारे कंट्रीज के सर्वर होते हैं, जैसे अभी जैसे इंडिया का सर्वर हो गया किसी गेम में, तो सिर्फ इंडिया वाले उसको खेल सकते हैं, ऐसे
अच्छा
कुछ।
अच्छा, see let me explain you this. Now see, servers are nothing but big size computers. ठीक है, सर्वर का मतलब ये क्या होता है? द कंप्यूटर विच इज गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू द सर्विसेज. जैसे आई हैव गिवन यू वन एग्जांपल. सपोज दिस इज द सर्वर. ठीक है, दिस इज द सर्वर. This server is having all the files, and now with this server all the other computers are connected. So these all computers will be called as that these are the clients. Okay, clients जो होते हैं वो connect करते हैं server से. And what is the property of server? Server will give the services and clients will send the request. Like suppose if this client is having any wanted to see any file or wanted to access any file, this client will send request to the server and server will send the information. Now suppose if the this server is only not working, if the server is fails, means if the server is only not working, it means remaining all computers will be not able to access the information. फाइलें तो यहीं पे थी सारी की सारी. अगर ये कंप्यूटर ही गया, then you will be not having any sort of access. So therefore see, it is given that it is impossible to carry out any work if the central server fails. और यहाँ पे तो यही लिख रखा है central server. The meaning of central server is the server is placed at the center, and then with this all the other computers are connected. Okay, and then the last point is, if networks are badly managed, services can become unusable and productivity falls. यानी अगर network issue हो गया, okay, so again means everything was done, all installations are done, but see the system, the network is not proper, then again complete system will not work or complete network will not work. For example, I am just giving you one example. You all are going to connect with me and my network is not working, my internet speed is not proper, or suppose if we are in one network only, but if the network is not proper, so in that particular case again we will be not able to share the information. Okay, now see, from this particular topic what you have to understand, there will be 3 questions. Okay, see, parallelly I will be giving you the questions so that you should know like from which particular topic what are the questions that we can have. The very first question is, what is computer and its uses? This is the first question. Second is advantages of network and disadvantages of network. We can give you this question as 2 marks question. जैसे पहला question जो था, define computer network and its use, it can be of 2 marks. और ऐसे ही अगर ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, एक्सप्लेन एनी 2 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ नेटवर्क, अगेन 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन एनी 2 डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ नेटवर्क, अगेन इट विल बी योर 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. तो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इन दिस मैनर. फाइन. Okay, then next is here again the advantages are explained properly. Now computer network introduction, this is the same page. Then after this, components of a computer network. Now see, if we wanted to make computer network, these all are the components. One question has asked that whom a network is bound with. See, it depends like who wanted to create a network. You just take one example that in our computer lab, we wanted to connect all computers in a network. Okay, we have 40-50 computers in a lab and all those computers we wanted to connect in a network. So it will belong to the organization, means to the school. Now see, we will understand these all things with the help of our school computers only. कि अगर हमारे school के जितने भी computers हैं and we wanted to connect them together, तो what are the things or the components that we will be in the need? The very first thing is host or nodes. आपके जो भी computers होते हैं in a network, these are called as either hosts or nodes. you can call it as a client also. ठीक है, आप client भी बोल सकते हैं, and here it is given the separate name, but you can mix it with this. Then next is your server. Server as actually when we are going to have all the Sneha, today you turn off. Tomorrow we will ask you to. Tomorrow we will ask everybody to turn on. Fine. Okay. As I already said to all that from tomorrow, videos will be turned on. Okay. So and all the instructions are already given to you that how you have to be over here in the classroom. Okay. So servers and clients, both of these are computers. Servers will be those computers. Now in our lab only we have to make any one computer as server, which will give the service to all the other computers. Fine. And all the other computers will be called as clients. Then next what we need is network hardware. Now these all are the hardwares that we need. Okay. जैसे NIC है, it is network interface card. Every computer must have this card installed. Then only you can use it. ठीक है, ये कार्ड हर कंप्यूटर में लगेगा, then only networking will be possible. Then routers depends like up to which distance we wanted to send the information, so that then only we have to see whether we need router or not. Now these days routers are used for routing purpose as well as for providing the internet connection both. Then switch and hub, anyone we can use, like when we wanted to connect all the computers. No, you can see over here, जैसे for example these all are the computers. You can see these all computers are connected with the router. ठीक है, router is further connected with the other devices. तो ऐसे आपको बीच में routers भी लगाने पड़ सकते हैं now. And suppose these all computers are there, तो बीच में हो सकता है आपको hub या switch भी लगाना पड़ जाए for providing the connection between multiple computers. Okay, then you need communication channel. Communication channel means either cables, radio links, or sometimes you can say modem and all. Then softwares. Okay, software में the most important thing is network operating system. This is important. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि every operating system will support networking. So therefore, when we wanted to connect computers in a network, operating system must support networking, then only we will be able to connect those computers in a network. And then the last one is network services. You need some services. These are the services. It depends like what is your purpose of networking. Fine. So these are nothing but the services for that we can use on the network. Okay, then all these things are explained that what is the purpose of each and every devices. See, we are going to discuss so many devices later on also, but you have to just get the introduction of this. Okay, one more thing. See, in server we have one point that is dedicated server. Anyone knows what is dedicated server? It is given here, dedicated server. There are two types of server. First is your non-dedicated server and second one is dedicated server. Or else let me explain you. See, dedicated server means which are only for a particular work. For example, they have given one example file server. So now the work of this server will be for only handling the files. It is not going to perform any other task. You will be not able to do any other task with that particular server or computer. Similarly, suppose if you have printer server, so it will only handle the printing request. Suppose if any big organization is there and where we are having lots of printing work, so one server we will make, means one computer as a server, and it will only handle the printing part. Through that we will be not able to do other work. Okay, so that type of computer is called as dedicated server. यानी एक ही purpose के लिए उस server को बनाया जाए. And if you can do multiple work with that, then it will be called as non-dedicated server. So this is what the thing you have to keep in your mind related to the server. Then after that, next thing that you have to understand is about the communication channel. When we talk about communication channel, we have two types of option. One is wired communication channel. Second one is wireless communication channel. Fine. Wired communication channel का मतलब ये क्या हुआ? When you have a physically wire connected with one computer to another computer. then it is called as wired communication channel. यानी यहाँ पे wires होंगी, physically computers will be connected. They have given some example: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics. Then you have wireless communication channel. Wireless का मतलब ये है when no physical connection is established between two or more computers. Okay, that time we are using either signals or the waves. So some examples are given over here is microwaves, radio waves, satellites, infrared waves, laser. Okay, so these all are the examples. Now see here again one question. Okay, the question is difference between wired communication and wireless communication, and then you have to explain with the example. If this is the question, then it is of 2 marks. And if we are only asking you the example, then it will be your 1 marks question. For example, any one example of wired communication medium and one example of wireless communication medium. So you have to prepare it in this manner. Okay, then last topic, that is network services. For network services, just now we have discussed that when we wanted to connect computers in a network, we need some services to be enabled in our system. So very first thing is DNS, domain name system, then file sharing. For that, see, for all these we have different types of services available. Then VoIP, voice over internet protocol. Okay, so here we can even communicate with the help of our voice, means voice chat if you wanted to do, no? So for that you need a VoIP services enabled. Now see, these all are the services which are available. Maximum of these services are available with the network operating system. We have to generally either turn it on or turn it off. Okay, so according to our requirement only, we have to see that what services we need, and then we are enabling or disabling that. Up to here, is it is clear to all of you, or anyone any doubt? आया समझ में यहाँ तक सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Kush. Okay, Harshi, good. So see, as I said, remaining topics we will do tomorrow, and then what you have to do, you have to go through these topics up to this particular point. 9.2 तक आप लोगों को सारा का सारा एक बार पढ़ना है. If you have any doubt, you can ask me again. We will revise that topic. Otherwise, we will start with types of network from tomorrow. Okay. Okay, then good day all of you. And one more thing, again I'm repeating, for your periodic test 1, if you have any particular topic in your mind, let me know in this week, then we can have revision in the next week. Okay, then good day all of you.